Hey everybody, this is Leo with Keyprint Co. and this is the 16x10 Platen kit. So when you buy the kit, it comes with the platen itself, the master adapter, the corresponding hoop, and a setup station. So the best part about this platen is that it lets you print hoodies really easily. Let me show you guys how to do that. So you want to take your hoodie and you want to load it onto the platen itself. Now it's really easy to aim because the hoop itself has center markers, will let you know if the apparel is straight and if it's centered. So from here, let's go over to the DTG machine. All you want to do is lift the hood up a little bit, unlock the locks, and transfer it over to your DTG machine. The first biggest benefit is that you have a much bigger print surface area with the 16x10 Platen. In fact, you have 2 additional inches on either side to print much bigger graphics. The second biggest benefit is that both the pocket and the hood fall below the print surface area, which means that you have absolutely no obstructions up here and it'll never set off the height sensors.